If you knew you would not be judged, what would you wear? If you knew that you would get compliments, positive compliments, if you knew how good you would feel by deciding to wear this one thing, this one color, this one style of outfit, what would that be for you? Hi, I'm Annette Bond, certified image consultant, and I work with successful, amazing women just like you, helping you to create and design a signature wardrobe that is uniquely you, so that you are feeling authentic, so that you are being seen and showing up with such confidence. And yes, we talk about styles, we talk about colors that flatter you. I want to go back to the question I just asked. If you could wear one style, one color, one something that you knew you would not be judged, what would it be? For me personally, it was this fuchsia pink. This dress I saw online, and it was in my cart for months. I would go back and look at it and I would think, is it too much? Oh my God, it's bright. It's really bright. And then one day I decided, I love it. It reflects the passion that I feel. This color makes me come alive. What's the worst thing that's going to happen? So I decided to order it. I put it on and it's like, wow. I felt alive in this color. Guess what? You probably will be judged. You will have people saying things. But you know what? Life is too short to not show up authentically you. I talk about authenticity a lot. And so many women come to me and say, Annette, help me to define my personal style and that it is authentic to me. So I challenge you to wear something, to buy something right now that's coming up in the new season that makes you feel like you, and let go of the judgment and step into that bigger you, that elevated you, and shine brighter. If this is you and you need help shining brighter, showing up bigger, being more powerful in your clothing and your style choices, I want to invite you to AnnetteBond.com/contact. Let's chat. Let's have a conversation and talk about what that might look like for you.